Having the right mirrorless camera can make your photos and videos significantly better. In this video, I'm going to make sure that you find the perfect mirrorless camera for you. I'll be breaking down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras on the market, and regardless of whether you're a casual photographer, a professional videographer, or anything in between, I'll have you covered. So if you want to find the perfect camera for you, stay tuned. All of the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. First up, I have the Sony A7 Mark IV, which is my choice for the best hybrid mirrorless camera. The Sony A7 Mark IV is really an outstanding example of a full-frame hybrid mirrorless camera excellence. This camera brings together superior stills and video capabilities to cater to a broad spectrum of creatives. And with its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, the A7 Mark IV just elevates image quality, capturing scenes with remarkable clarity and detail. And this sensor, coupled with the Bion's XR image processor, thrives in varying lighting conditions, giving it an expanded ISO range that ensures crisp and noise-reduced images even in low light. And photographers will be captivated by the camera's evolved autofocus system. The Sony A7 Mark IV features 759 phase detection points, which cover approximately 94% of the image area, and that ensures fast and precise focusing. Now, the real-time eye autofocus, now more refined, is a complete game-changer for portrait photography. It maintains sharp focus on the subject's eyes with a nearing accuracy even in motion. And with shutter speed at 1/8000th seconds, it keeps up with some of the super expensive cameras out there. Now, for video enthusiasts, the A7 Mark IV's prowess is absolutely undeniable. It offers 4K 60p video recording, delivering stunning clarity and smooth motion rendering. The camera's advanced video features, like 10-bit 422 color depth and S-Log3, open up a realm of creative possibilities, allowing for nuanced color grading and detailed post-production work. The S-Cinetone color profile is also quite notable, as it's praised by a lot of pros. And connectivity features on the Sony A7 Mark IV include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which helps streamline the workflow. The addition of USB-C tethering enhances file transfer speeds, which is beneficial for studio photographers. The battery life on the Sony with 2 batteries inside is around 10 to 12 hours, so make sure you grab a few extra batteries when you purchase. The Sony A7 Mark IV is a sterling choice for those who demand excellence in both stills and video. Its high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, versatile video capabilities, and thoughtful ergonomics make it a formidable tool for photographers and videographers alike. Next, I have the Canon EOS R5, which is my choice for the best mirrorless camera for video. The Canon EOS R5 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera for video, setting a new benchmark in the realm of visual storytelling. Its groundbreaking video capabilities are wrapped in a design that's both intuitive and robust, making it a top pick for videographers and filmmakers. At the heart of the EOS R5 is a staggering full-frame sensor paired with a Digic X image processor. This combination delivers images of extraordinary detail and dynamic range. The camera shines in varied lighting situations, and that's thanks to its expansive ISO range, ensuring crisp, clean imagery even in challenging light. Video capabilities are where the EOS R5 truly excels. Setting it apart from the AI5, the R5 offers 8K RAW video recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing unparalleled detail and creative flexibility in post-production. Now, the 4K 120 FPS mode is a boon for slow-motion footage, capturing scenes with smooth, cinematic quality. Canon's renowned color science comes to the fore in video mode, offering natural, vibrant colors straight out of the camera. The autofocus system of the R5 is really nothing short of revolutionary. Equipped with dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2, it covers nearly 100% of the image area with 1,053 automatically selectable AF zones. The eye, face, and animal detection autofocus are particularly noteworthy, locking onto subjects with precision and consistency. Ergonomics and design of the EOS R5 receive equal attention. This camera feels robust, yet comfortable in hand, with controls that are thoughtfully laid out for easy access. Weather sealing on this camera enhances its reliability, ensuring performance in various environments, from indoor studios to outdoor adventures. And the Canon EOS R5 is a trailblazer in the video world of mirrorless cameras. With its formidable 8K video capability, advanced autofocus system, and impressive stills performance, it caters to the needs of serious videographers and filmmakers. Its ergonomic design and robust build quality further cement its status as the top choice for those seeking a camera that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in video production. Next, I have the Canon R50, and this is my choice for the best mirrorless camera for beginners. The Canon EOS R50 is arguably the ideal mirrorless camera for beginners, expertly blending ease of use with impressive performance. Now, this camera is a gateway to the world of photography, offering budding photographers an accessible yet powerful tool to explore their creativity. Central to the R50's appeal is its user-friendly interface, which makes it incredibly approachable for those new to photography. Now, despite its beginner-friendly design, the R50 doesn't compromise on performance. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor coupled with Canon's Digic X processor. This combination ensures sharp, detailed images and commendable performance in various lighting conditions. The camera's ISO range is versatile, effectively handling low light scenarios and reducing noise in high ISO settings. The autofocus system of the R50 is an absolute standout feature, incorporating technology typically found in more advanced models. It offers fast and accurate focusing with face and eye detection autofocus that works remarkably well for portraits. For those interested in video, the R50 delivers robust capabilities. It supports 4K video recording, allowing new photographers to experience with high-quality video content. The combination of 4K and vari-angle touchscreen make the R50 an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators, offering flexibility and creative control. Ergonomically, the EOS R50 is designed to be compact and lightweight, yet comfortable to hold. Now, connectivity features including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth really just add to the R50's appeal. These features enable easy sharing of images and videos to smartphones, making it more convenient for beginners to share their work on social media or with their friends and family. The Canon EOS R50 is a standout choice for beginners. Its blend of user-friendly features, solid imaging capabilities, and compact design make it a perfect entry point into the world of photography. Now, whether you're just starting or looking for a capable camera that doesn't overwhelm, the EOS R50 is a choice that promises an enjoyable and educational photography experience. Next, I have the Fujifilm X-H2S. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a serious contender in the mirrorless camera market. It's tailored for photographers and videographers seeking a fusion of speed, performance, and reliability. Its robust feature set and intuitive design make it a top choice for a wide range of shooting styles. A standout feature of the X-H2S is its high-speed performance. At its core is a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HS sensor combined with the X Processor 5. This duo delivers rapid readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects significantly. And the camera excels in capturing fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. The autofocus system in the X-H2S is a technological marvel. It utilizes an advanced autofocus algorithm with improved face and eye detection, ensuring sharp focus even in challenging situations. The 425-point autofocus system covers a wide area of the frame, providing consistent and precise focusing capabilities. Fujifilm's renowned color science is vividly showcased in the X-H2S. This camera offers a wide range of film simulation modes, paying homage to the classic Fujifilm emulsions. Videographers will appreciate the X-H2S's extensive video capabilities. It supports 6.2K 30 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second video recording, enabling high-resolution, slow-motion footage. And the inclusion of the F-Log2 provides a wide dynamic range, giving filmmakers more flexibility in post-production color grading. Now, one thing that sets this camera apart from some of the other cameras I've discussed is its advanced heat dissipation system. Now, this feature allows for prolonged video recording sessions without overheating concerns, and a critical factor for professional video production or even shooting outside on a hot day. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a powerhouse, offering an outstanding balance of speed, image quality, and video performance. Its advanced autofocus, rapid shooting capabilities, and unique color reproduction make it an enticing option for photographers and videographers alike. Next, I have the Sony Alpha 7R Mark IV, which is my choice for the best mirrorless camera for photography. The Sony Alpha 7R Mark IV sets a new standard for image quality and resolution in the realm of digital cameras. This powerhouse is a dream for photographers who demand the utmost in detail and clarity, making it an exceptional tool for a wide range of photographic genres. At the center of the Alpha 7R Mark IV's excellence is its staggering 61 megapixel full-frame Exmor RCMOS sensor. This sensor, the highest resolution in Sony's full-frame lineup, captures images with unparalleled detail and texture, making it perfect for landscapes, studio work, and any scenario where image detail is paramount. And like its sister camera, the A7 Mark IV, The advanced Bion's X image processor complements the camera's sensor, and this ensures swift image processing and enhanced color accuracy. The camera's autofocus system is a marvel of technology, and with 567 phase detection autofocus points and 425 contrast autofocus points, it covers a significant portion of the sensor, offering lightning-fast and highly accurate focus. This system excels in tracking subjects, making it invaluable for wildlife and sports photography where precision is crucial. Unique to the Alpha 7R Mark IV is its high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, which offers a stunning 5.76 million dot resolution. This EVF provides a clear, bright view of the scene, allowing photographers to compose their shots with great precision. And the camera also excels in connectivity and workflow enhancements. It offers dual UHS-2 SD card slots, facilitating efficient file management and backup. Additionally, its USB Type-C port allows for fast data transfer and in-field charging, which is an incredibly convenient feature for photographers on the move. The Sony Alpha 7R Mark IV is a testament to Sony's innovation in the realm of high-resolution photography. Its unparalleled sensor resolution, advanced autofocus system, and impressive color fidelity make it a top choice for photographers who seek the best in image quality.